Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 2, so we are going to explain you time value today and transpose formula. Time value, this function will show an actual time based on a piece of text which look like a time. It is useful when data is imported from other applications such as from mainframe computers, which converts all values to text formula details. You just need to mention time value and select your text, bracket close, enter. You will get your details, formatting required or not. The result will be shown as a number representing the time of fraction of the day. Formatting can be applied for either the 12 or 24 hours clock system. One more thing, complete video details available in description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference. But for that you have to subscribe this channel, and we have a separate video in which we explain every single Excel formula with multiple and different kind of examples. So please check those videos as well. And in part 3 we are going to explain trend, trim and trunk formula. Now second formula today, very basic but very unique formula, I would must say. Today use this to show the current date. If you want to check what is current date in your Excel, you just need to mention today, bracket start, bracket close, enter, and you'll get the today days detail. The result will not normally be displayed using DD, MMM, YY format, but you have that opportunity to change your format as well. It is very interesting formula. Every time when you open your Excel, just mention today and you'll get your today days. And we have a separate videos in which we explain today with multiple examples and in very interesting manner, so please check that video as well. Please make sure to share your comments as well. Next formula, transpose. Transpose is like array formula, and we all use transport using our mouse, but we have opportunity in Excel through use as a formula, writing formula. So transpose this formula, this function copies data from a range and place in it in a new range, turning it so that the data originally in columns is now in rows, and the data originally in rows is in column. The transpose range must be same size as the original range. The function needs to be entered as an array formula. I'm going to explain you again. The transpose range must be the same size as the original range. The function needs to be entered as an array formula. Very simple. You just need to mention transpose, select your range. First you need to copy, then transpose, and then select your range, bracket close, enter, and the same columns data will move into rows. Is any formatting required? No formatting is required, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel, and please use this formula at least 1 or 2 times, because this is really interesting formula, I would must say, because if you really want to improve your Excel skills, so these are the formula will help you to increase your Excel skills. Complete details available in description box. Please go ahead and copy and paste for your future reference, but for that you have to subscribe this channel. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, please mention the same in comment box and we'll get back to you in 24 hours. We have a 200, 300 and 400 videos only related to Excel formula. Even we explain every single Excel formula starting alphabet A till alphabet Z using multiple and different kind of example, and we are the best Excel formula channel in YouTube. So thanks for that as well. Have a great day, have a great Excel future. Practice to make a man perfect, so try to at least try this formula at least 1 or 2 times in your Excel version, so it will be great for you to understand this formula, how this formula works, and you will be able to create your own compound formula. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great Excel future.